I know all of us love it. And as to prepare this I have I'm going to prepare a fruit salad for today. Simple but delicious fruit salad that back to your budget in less than 10 minutes. And to join with me to prepare a fruit salad, here are Mr. Warde, Miss Kirby, and Miss Yuri. Okay, the first procedure is we should prepare all the ingredients and the equipment that we are going to use. So in preparing our fruit salad for today, we only have three ingredients. We have a fruit cocktail, all-purpose cream, and our Alanza condensed. So the second step is open the fruit cocktail, then drain the juice. Can you help me to do this? Okay. So after that, we are going to put the fruit cocktail in the bowl.
Unahan lang. Ang dami pala niyan.
Then afterwards, put the Nestle all-purpose cream in the fruit cocktail. Then mix it while we put the cream. And after the cream, we will put the condensed milk. Dapat nilakyan man.
Asim.
Then mix it well. And after this, we can already eat this. But if you want, you can chill it to the refrigerator. And I'm Joyce. Join me for another round of preparing dessert here on True Confession.
One section.
And this is the way of True Confession.
Asim.
And